Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is part 1 of a project. I'll be making a paper mache pumpkin. Using an air pump, I fill the ball halfway. I cut the same length of ribbon and then tie those around the ball. I reinsert the air pump and carefully fill the ball with air until I get the fullness I want, but not overfilling it. Adjust the ribbon while you fill the ball with air. In this video's description, I will have a link to the video that shows how to make this paper mache mix recipe. For this particular project, using strips of copy paper and paper mache mix, I will add 3 to 4 layers, then allow it to completely dry overnight. Be sure not to cover the area where the ball will be removed. I reinsert the needle of the air pump into the ball to release the air and then remove the ball and ribbon. The items I used to make this are listed in this video's description. piece is now ready for the next step of my project. However, you can decorate it to your desire. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.